Dear viewers of Maddani channel, when the child is born to someone, he wishes that the name of his child should be very unique. To fulfill this desire, sometime the women of the entire family sit together to find a unique name. Sometimes they give such a name which has no meaning, or even if it has a meaning, it will have a very bad meaning. Let me tell you such a unique name that there is no name as unique as this name. Our beloved master Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, whoever has been blessed with a baby boy and he named his son Muhammad, out of my love, him and his son both will enter Jannah. And he also said that on the day of judgment, two people will stand before Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah will command His angels that take them to Jannah, take them to paradise. They will speak in the bargah of Almighty Allah and say, Almighty Allah, due to which good deed we have qualified for Jannah, we have not done any good deed. So Almighty Allah will say that I have promised that whomsoever's name will be Ahmad or Muhammad, I will not throw him into Jahannam. So go and enter the paradise, go and enter Jannah. Subhanallah, look at the blessings of the name Muhammad, my dear viewers of Maddani channel. If Almighty Allah has blessed you with a son, or two sons, or three sons, or four sons, try to give each son this unique name Muhammad. Inshallah, on the day of judgment, you will see the blessings of this name Muhammad. For calling them, you can give them different names like Ahmad Raza, Ubaid Raza, Hamid Raza, any other name, but original name of each son should be Muhammad. Inshallah, you will see the blessings of this name on the day of judgment.